Affiliate Marketing Guide. Affiliate marketing is one of the most effective way for anyone to earn money online. It's not difficult and passive method to earn money that is highly scalable, and that is easy to set up. No technical skill is required, and if you choose the right products and connect with the right market, you can stand to make good money in a short space of time. Affiliate marketing basically means selling a product or service that is not yours for a profit. You receive money for each sale you make. This means that you just need to connect the product with an audience that will value it. Affiliate marketing means that you advertise a specific product or service of a third-party company online. At best, you will receive 50 to 70% of the sales as a commission. This means that if, for example, 10 items worth $100 are sold through your affiliate link and you receive 50% commission, you will earn $500. Digital products are a great option for online marketing because there is no cost to you. This means that the creator of the product doesn't have to pay in all for each and every sale, and also they can instead simply make profit as well as share that earnings. It also indicates they never had to spend large amounts of money in advance, and they don't need to take care of shipment either. In short, it's a win-win situation. The product creator gets a lots more sales by motivating online marketers to deal with them, and also the affiliate reaches out to sell the item as if it were their own and keeps most of the revenue. The best and easiest way to sell a product or service is to choose a product or service that you know well and think is good. For example, if you're interested in video editing, you can promote good video editors that you use. This way you can tell people about these video editors in a professional way, for example through your blog or YouTube videos. This will increase trust and people's interest. Many companies producing different digital products have their own affiliate channel where you can join. If your video editor is called Pictory, for example, you can find an affiliate partner program by searching Google for Pictory affiliates. Recurring payments are an effective way to generate passive income from your affiliate marketing activity. Recurring affiliate commissions are passive income from the first purchase, usually monthly, unless the customer cancels the order. Recurring affiliate programs are programs that pay on a continuous and recurring basis. The classic process for selling affiliate products is quite simple. Find very good products and get an affiliate links. Discover those products well. Advertise them reliably. Place link on sales page and other sources. Send traffic to your sales page or direct to the product from as many sources as possible. Wait until the product stops selling, then find a new product and rinse and repeat. If you are interested, below this video is a link to a great free guide to affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching.